All right, guys, welcome back to the city. I know it's been a few weeks since we've done an update video. Truth is, we've been traveling and we also recently adopted a new kitten, which has been taking a lot of our time because unfortunately she was sick. We didn't know it when we adopted her. So we've been focused on getting her well and healthy. And so far she's improving, which is great. So just been focused on that and haven't had a lot of time to come down here and build. But did want to give you guys an update on the city because we do have a couple of updates for you. So down here at this end, obviously this is the area that has been fully illuminated with lighting products from Bevan's Bricks. You guys saw in the last few videos, we showed you guys kind of everything that we've done so far and really coming along with it. You know, it's really bringing a lot of life to the city and really enjoying putting it all together. That being said, it is pretty tedious because you have to essentially tear up the streets and do all the wiring down through it so you can't see it, because obviously right now you can't see it, but then if I shift to night view, you know, you can. And so all the wires run underneath the streets, and if you look really closely on stuff, you can kind of see some wiring. But Bevan's Bricks did a really good job, Daryl is his name, coming up with some lighting products that are very easy compared to other products to get in. I mean, if you look at how thin the wiring is, it actually fits in between bricks pretty easily. I know the camera's having trouble focusing on it because it's so thin. But anyway, that has been kind of what we've been focused on down at this end. And obviously, you know, it's still a little bit of clutter while we're cleaning it up. If I move around, so obviously in the back here is the in and out drive-through. But right here, we're gonna build probably another apartment building, similar to Skyloft, but different look and feel. Right now, we just put that modular there just as a placeholder, but that should pretty much finish this city block of downtown Santa Monica area. And over here, there's still some road work going on. Still trying to figure out kind of what we want to do back here. Obviously, it's going to be Santa Monica, but we want to figure out the proper layout and which buildings we're going to include. And then it'll start to move into downtown LA. Speaking of downtown LA, the Wilshire Grand is finally finished, and this is one of the big updates of today. As you can see, it is now the tallest building we have ever built, and it is just a monster, but it looks awesome in the skyline. Really love how it turned out. It just looks awesome. So I can't honestly wait to get the rest of the buildings built because I think downtown LA is going to look super cool when it's all said and done. Now, we did add lighting to this building as well. I'll show you guys a quick photo of what that looks like. Unfortunately, something went wrong with the battery up there, so now we got to take it apart and fix that. I'm not sure what's going on, but wanted to have it lit up for the video, but unfortunately it's not going to work. So this is what it looks like in the daytime view, I guess. And so basically, we'll keep filling in the downtown core over here with buildings from downtown LA, and then it'll spill into Santa Monica. So you can kind of see how it's all coming together. And here's a view from this side as well. Still finishing the base of it. Wait on some parts, but overall the main structure is complete. So as you guys know, we've also been working on a lot of sorting, which is why everything's out right now. We got these big bins down here with specific colors that we're going through. We also might add, so these lights, I don't know if you guys remember them. They're from our original city back in the day, like 3 years ago. And they make kind of cool freeway lights. So we might add these to the freeway, and we may see if we can illuminate them with Bevan's lighting. Still looking into it. May have to change the design a little bit, but it could be pretty cool to have these go down the freeway and then also add lighting to the freeway signage. And then the other thing that we're still working on with the freeway is filling in the road lines. We got to order more parts, so working to finalize that. But we did finish, well, not finish, but almost finished this area down here. It's a new train station or tram station for the LA Metro line. And we may raise it one more brick just to be a little bit taller. And then there's probably gonna be some greenery and maybe some like street vendors over here. But basically it's the bridge or the overpass that finishes this end of the freeway with the city right here. So obviously there's still a lot of broken builds and stuff to clean up from moving everything. And that's also been what's been kind of delaying things. But truthfully, the other thing putting in such a delay right now is just waiting to buy parts. Parts are so expensive right now. And so we have to wait for more instruction sales in order to be able to buy them. Because the next buildings for LA are all going to cost right around $1,000 per building. just because they're so tall and require so many parts and pieces. So that's honestly kind of been the delay as well, outside of getting the new cat. But yeah, I mean, we're excited with how it's turning out. I think there's a lot of really cool stuff coming up once we have the money to buy parts. But we're excited with how it's all looking so far, and we hope you guys are too. That's it though for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to have some bigger updates for you guys soon, and we'll see you next time.